These are all the seeds that came out of that Bugout Seed Bag that I shared with you in the last video. This was a gift I had gotten for Christmas, and even though it's not the holiday season, this would make a great gift for any gardener in your life. Now these are heirloom seeds, which means you can grow it, you can eat it, you can save the seed, replant it, it's going to grow true to the plant. And this is from the Sustainable Seed Company, certified organic. And the claim is that you can grow 3,000 pounds of food with all these seeds here. There's over 5,000 seeds here. And let me just share with you one by one what we've got. These are full-size seed packets, by the way. And because that whole package is only $14.95 right now, that's 60 cents per seed packet. Let me just share with you what we've got. We've got melon seeds here, some lettuce, some kale, some basil, some winter wheat, got some carrots, some cabbage, beets, broccoli, celery, Swiss chard, looking good, corn, 2 kinds of corn, cucumbers, onions, bell peppers, watermelon, peas, peppers, cayenne, my favorite, pumpkins, got some spinach, got some zucchinis, spaghetti squash, Roma tomatoes, crookneck squash, some radishes. Now only a couple of these seed packs actually have the USDA certified organic label on them. The rest of them just say open pollinated heirloom. So just be aware of that. For myself, it doesn't much matter. I feel like once they're in the ground and they start growing into a plant, if you're growing organically, you got an organic plant. And here's one of the coolest things. Included in this package, they give you a complete veggie planting guide. And this is actually a really quality little guide here. It goes one by one, all the seeds that are in here. You got the beets, the cabbage, and it gives you all the information on how to sow, when to sow, harvesting, saving seed. Really cool. Now all of this came packed in this Mylar bag with the zip top on it, which is perfect for long-term seed storage. So if you wanted to just sit on this for a while, you could do that as well. But just look at all that color, guys. All that healthy, life-nurturing food. You could be growing this in your yard this year. So with that, I hope you guys are having a great evening, a great day, wherever you are in the world. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com, reminding you to grow your own food, get healthy, save money. All right, I'll be talking to you guys soon. Take care.